Okay, I will do this exercise. Plugging numbers. Why? This exercise is very conceptual, okay? But sometimes, if you only use the concept without plugging numbers, you can go to the actual test without the certainty that you are applying correctly the concept, okay? The concept here I will present during the solution of the question, okay? And I can bring this concept with me to the actual test and apply and be very, very fast solving this question. But I need to bring with me confidence to the actual test. So my suggestion is when you meet this kind of exercise, I suggest you to plug in numbers. Yes, take your time to do this question, okay? Like error log, okay? So when you plug in numbers, I will show to you that I confirm my expectations around the math concept that I will apply. Let's go. So, was the average arithmetic mean sale price of a new home in region R last month at least 100,000? Okay. What he's asking this. If the summation of the prices in region R divided by the number of the houses is equal or greater than 100,000. Okay. Statement 1. Last month, the median sale price of a new home in region R was at least 100,000. Okay. The median is 100 or more. Okay. I will use the concept, very important concept, okay, that when I have a symmetric distribution, the median, always in the middle, is equal to the mean. When I have a symmetric distribution, the median is equal to the mean. Do you agree? Okay. So I will plug in numbers regarding this. I will consider that I only have 3 houses in region R. 100,000, my median, 80,000 and 120,000. It's symmetric because minus 20,000 plus 20,000. So you can do the calculations, or it's obvious that the median is equal to the mean. So the mean is 100,000. I'm answering yes to the question. Then I will put the balance more to the lower prices. Okay, so I will put 3 houses, 80,000, 100,000, and 110,000. If you do the mean, the median is always the middle number. But the mean here, you don't need to do this calculation. But if you do, is around here. Okay, you know that the tendency is more to 80,000. So less than 100,000. I answer no to the question. So not sufficient. Okay, let's go to the second one. Last month, the sale prices of new homes in region R ranged from 75,000 to 150,000. Okay, let's go. The range is around 75,000 and 150,000. Okay, I will use the same numbers I used in statement 1, previewing that if the statement 2 is not sufficient alone and I need to put them together, I can use the same numbers if it's possible, of course. And I save lots of time, okay, putting the intersection of the numbers that satisfy both statements, okay? Is a kind of technique that we use a lot in MBA House. Okay, again, 3 houses, 80,000, 100,000, and 120,000. I am respecting the range. Do you agree? And we know that the mean is 100,000. I answer yes. Then my 3 houses, 80,000, 100,000, and 110,000. The same as here. And I know it's a no. So not sufficient again. Okay, I stayed between the range and I answered a no. Okay, so now what I need to do? I need to put both together. Okay, and I don't need to do a single calculation because I use the same informations, the same numbers, and it's not sufficient again. Is E.